Paul driving on his lawnmower all the way from the office back home. Funny as hell. He took this on a major street and now he comes here and he's not done because he lives to the left, so he's pulling over to the right just to say hi to people. Now he's using it as a car in his neighborhood. This is what he does. It's hysterical. He came over to visit his buddy. So now, back to his house. Hysterical. I love it. He's going around because he's going to get to the back of his house. He's doing good. He's not even home yet. Oh, this is awesome. Still has to get to his house. Yeah, he's taking the long route. He's playing around. He loves it. It's like a go-kart. Makes me jealous. Now I want to take mine out on the street. And he's home. Awesome. Awesome. Nice ride.
I did the circle things because I'm like, I gotta give him something.
Later, guys.